What's up everybody and welcome to my channel. This is my first video and today we're gonna unbox the Radeon RX 5700 XT by AMD. This is the MSI EVOKE overclocked version. It was released in July of 2019. It has 7nm silicon transistors and it's based on the RDNA architecture designed by AMD, which was released with the 5700 series of the Radeon GPUs. Just to go a little bit over the specs on their website, so it has a base clock of 1690 MHz, boostable up to 1945 MHz, and that is only in the overclocked edition. It has a 14 gigabit per second memory speed in addition to 8 GB of GDDR6 memory. MSI seems to be very proud of their design. They're calling it champagne gold. It has two TORX fans, 3.0, but I'm not gonna judge the cooling for now because we're gonna do a benchmark for different AAA titles along with a very interesting PC build video. So please guys, make sure you subscribe. There will be a lot of reviews, unboxings, and interesting content coming soon. So the back of the box comes with the specs and the information that we saw on the website. So let's go ahead and unbox the GPU. The padding is not bad in the box. That can easily protect the GPU during shipping and storage. So in the box you can find an envelope with the MSI logo containing some paperwork related to MSI products and the manual. So you can see here the two TORX fans 3.0 that are designed and manufactured by MSI. And seriously, this champagne gold color is really intriguing. We have not seen so many GPUs having this color. So here you can see the heat pipes coming out and going in the heatsink. And at the back we have an aluminum plate with the MSI logo. We can see the heatsink here, but we still have to do the benchmark to realize the actual performance when it comes to cooling in this GPU. In terms of I/O, the GPU has 4 ports, 3 DisplayPorts and 1 HDMI port, along with the PCI Express 4.0. If you like the video guys, make sure you do a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. There will be a lot of content coming soon.